Hey there. Not sure why I just did that. I just wanted to let you know that I loved Playful and Painless Confidence with Adam. I now have much more fulfilling relationships with others and also with myself. I've had a massive boost in my career, in my finances, and really my self love. Despite spending thousands of dollars in self development workshops and conferences and weekends, I was going through a really rough patch. And by playing these weekly games, it's helped me build lasting confidence. And by now I'm able to truly ask for what I need, both financially and emotionally. And I was able to lovingly set boundaries with both professionally and personally. It's due to up leveling in my own self worth. So yeah, I would say if you're looking for more confidence in your life, more play in your life, which I don't think there's limits to how much confidence and play we're allowed to have that would benefit us. I would say go for it. With the ROI here, the return on investment, via fun growth hacking that could lead to more money, it's a no-brainer in my book. And studies do show that there's direct correlation between confidence and finances. Whew, even me speaking about that is an edge. So yeah, with greater confidence, I now actually have greater focus on what matters to me, and this has resulted in more happiness and lower stress. Yes, much lower stress. And so hey, maybe I will see you in the next class. Peace.